The mission was clear: strengthening local governance to mobilize communities for economic growth and independence. With tangible plans afoot to have local government entrenched in our constitution, this will give greater autonomy to organizations at the local level.
The CDCs and the PDC will be legal entities so they can operate in the interest of the community.
So we have to build the capacity of the community groups to be able to interface with the state in order for us to move.
And so, the tone was set for the fifth in a series of cross-country town hall meetings organized by the Social Development Commission, SDC. This one was held in February in St. Mary. Here, like in other parishes, groups that service people at the community were implored to forge greater partnerships and help drive economic growth.
We expect that the Social Development Commission will be active in terms of organizing the citizens and to get us now to look at how we can really get prosperous rural communities.
We have launched a governance capacity fund. It's a maximum of 100,000 to each successful applicant to allow you to undertake activities that will further enhance your capacities.
With capacities enhanced, it is expected that this rural growth will feed into the national economic reform agenda to increase revenue and job creation. With that in mind, both the Prime Minister and the Finance Minister used the platform to sensitize St. Mary residents about the significance of the measures being taken to finalize a deal with the International Monetary Fund, IMF. Particular emphasis was placed on the national debt exchange and the drawdown of $44 billion over 4 years from the National Housing Trust.
If it was not that, it would have to have come from some other source of taxation. And the pressure of that would be on the most vulnerable people in the society.
Failure to take these tough decisions will deprive us, among other things, of access to financial resources from the international financial institutions.
Even as St. Mary residents were brought up to speed on national issues, they were also fully briefed on the development agenda for their parish at this latest of the town hall meetings.
The Jamaica Social Investment Fund has approved $30 million for the construction of a new market in Port Maria.
The new Port Maria market will feature a two-story design where the ground floor will be used for the sale of regular ground provisions, fruits, vegetables, meats, etc. And the second floor will feature specialized retail shops.
The Highgate Market will benefit from a $3 million renovation project to repair and upgrade its garbage disposal facilities and the roof. $2.7 million is earmarked to repair the roof of the Islington Post Office. And there are also plans to build out 2 major sporting facilities, one in Gray's Inn and the other in Clemarts Park.
We are looking at a comprehensive plan of ensuring that rural communities, every rural child, should have access to at least one proper facility within a reasonable distance from where they live.
The intention is to upgrade the complex at Clemarts Park into a multi-purpose facility, while $4 million will be spent renovating the Gray's Inn facility to accommodate Premier League games. In the wake of the damage caused by Hurricane Sandy, the town hall meeting was also updated on plans to renovate the Anota Bay Hospital and Bernard Health Center. Plus,
we will be spending $9 million from post-Sandy damage at Port Maria. Also, the theatre that has been completed for some time now, we intend to bring that theatre back into use in the new financial year.
An additional $9 million will be spent to upgrade 3 other health centers across the parish. In the area of agriculture, much assistance was offered to pig, goat, and banana farmers.
We have gone into an arrangement with Jamaica producers. We have made available $100 million to go into banana farming.
And I invested from the Constituency Development Fund $3 million to get a mother farm of pig so that the farmers can have something to get. And the same thing goes with goat farming.
While the Agriculture Ministry continues to support farmers in drought-stricken areas, St. Mary citizens were assured that those in areas not affected by drought would also get assistance. Before the curtains came down on the 5th Town Hall meeting, St. Mary residents were given the platform to have their burning questions and requests addressed.
To the Prime Minister, I am begging you an ambulance for the Port Maria Hospital.
The Minister of Health indicated to me that the ministry will be receiving some ambulances soon and one will be allocated to the hospital.
I'm here to beg for the people of Bottom Albany to see if the river could get some Gabion baskets so it can take off the water of our properties.
It is something that we are looking at, and hopefully within the next financial year we can do something about.
I would like to make an appeal to the powers that be for a reliable vehicle for the police in Highgate.
By the end of March, the Highgate police will be receiving a double cab pickup truck.
Requests for improved parochial and farm roads were also dealt with.
There's a consultation that had been held between the two ministries, and we're going to bring agriculture into it so that we can get a sort of informed position and a decision going forward as how to treat all the roads within the country. Farm roads, parochial roads, and the main roads.
Some had no requests, just suggestions.
I believe you should get the people pay the least, even $300 when they go to the hospital. So you will have that money to put back in.
People with a voice, government with a plan, everyone working together for a better Jamaica.